Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a Notion user, you know how powerful it is for organizing notes, projects, and more. But one common frustration is dealing with images that don't quite fit your layout. In this video, we'll cover how to resize images in Notion for 2025, making your pages look clean and professional. Whether you're creating a presentation, a dashboard, or just jotting down ideas, this quick tutorial will save you time. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you want to resize an image. Start by adding an image. You can do this by clicking the plus icon and selecting Image from the block menu. Upload your image from your computer or embed one from the web. Once it's there, click on the image to select it. You'll see a blue outline around it, indicating it's active. Now, for the resizing part. In Notion's 2025 update, resizing is super straightforward. Hover over the image, and you'll notice small blue dots or handles at the corners and sides. Click and drag these handles to adjust the width and height manually. If you want to maintain the aspect ratio and avoid distortion, hold down the Shift key while dragging. It's a simple pro tip that keeps your images looking sharp. If you're working with a more advanced setup, like images inside tables or toggles, you might need to adjust the block settings. Right-click on the image, go to Properties, and look for size options under the image settings. Here, you can set a specific width in pixels or choose from predefined sizes. Remember, Notion is responsive, so your resized images will adapt to different devices. One more thing. If you're dealing with a lot of images, consider using Notion's database features to standardize sizes across your workspace. It's a game changer for productivity. And there you have it. You're now a pro at resizing images in Notion for 2025. This little skill can make your notes way more visually appealing and easier to navigate. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.